Alright, so hey there Cajon drummers. Yes, in this video I have 5 rock grooves for you to learn on the Cajon. First you're going to hear it with some music and then we'll slow it right down so that you can learn it. If you're ready, we're going to get started.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, so that's one groove down. Yes, we need some more. Let's get on to the second groove.
2, 3, 4.
Okay, so let's move on now to groove number 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, so we've still got 2 more grooves to go, but before I forget, if you are here on this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing or giving this video a like so that you can see some more of these videos in the future. Anyway, let's get on to our 4th groove now. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, so we've made it to the final groove of this video. Feeling pretty good about our progress so far. If you're ready, let's get on to that last groove now. Here we go.
2, 3, 4.
Alright, so thank you everybody so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, maybe leave a comment down below about which one was your favorite of the 5 grooves. I'd love to know what you were enjoying playing the most. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about the deeper side of learning grooves, not just, okay, these are the notes, but more about how to really make them sound good in a bigger musical context, I have some members courses that maybe you'd be interested in. Have a look at my channel page. You can see some, for example, dynamics or maybe groove expansion could be good at the moment. Anyway, there's always a growing number of members-only courses. If you'd like to know a little bit more about how to become a member, you can look in the description, or you might see a button that says join, and then I'll tell you a little more about it. So that's it. I hope you had a lot of fun learning these new rock grooves, maybe even jamming along to me in the process. That's always a lot of fun. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video.